If you're in the property market or considering entering it, this video on the new budget updates could be essential to help you to shape your investment strategy moving forward. Today, we're diving into the massive 2024 UK budget announced recently and how it impacts landlords and property investors. My name is Phil from Let Property, and we help thousands of landlords every year to buy and sell their investment properties through our specialist tenanted property investment platform. So, let's explore what's happening and how you can adapt. The 2024 budget has introduced a significant change to stamp duty for buy-to-let properties and second homes. The surcharge on additional property purchases has increased from 3% to 5%. This means that investors will face higher upfront costs when buying properties intended for rental or as second homes. The increase is likely to impact investment decisions and could lead to a more cautious approach in the property market. Landlords and investors should reassess their financial strategies to accommodate these higher expenses. The budget has also frozen the inheritance tax threshold at £325,000 until 2030, which has significant implications for landlords and property investors. As property values continue to rise, more estates may exceed the frozen threshold, making them liable for IHT. This could reduce the value of inherited property assets and affect long-term estate planning. Landlords with substantial portfolios may need to explore strategies such as incorporating property into trusts or other tax-efficient structures to mitigate the impact of IHT. Contrary to speculation, the 2024 budget didn't change capital gains tax rates on residential properties. The top rate remains at 28% for high-rate taxpayers and 18% for basic-rate taxpayers. Although there's no immediate change, property investors should continue to factor capital gains tax into their long-term strategies when considering property sales. Now, let's address holiday lets, a sector that remains immensely popular with platforms like Airbnb. This budget confirmed that the FHL tax regime will still be abolished by April 2025. This continues to mean that holiday let owners will still lose certain tax advantages, such as the ability to deduct fixtures and fitting costs. Without these financial perks, holiday lets will lose appeal, particularly in high-demand areas where tourism fuels local economy. Investing in energy efficiency now could future-proof your properties, and some existing grants are still available to offset the cost of upgrades. At Let Property, we have over 1,000 tenanted properties ready packaged, providing immediate cash flow for landlords and property investors. All of our properties detail the EPC rating, so you can look at choosing a tenanted property that already meets the new stipulations, or you can look at which properties you can invest in to upgrade or refurbish. Overall, the 2024 UK budget presents both challenges and opportunities for landlords and property investors. The increase in stamp duty surcharge from 3% to 5% on additional properties will lead to higher upfront costs, which could impact purchasing decisions and overall market activity. Additionally, confirmation of the abolition of the furnished holiday lettings tax regime by April 25 will remove key tax advantages for holiday property owners, meaning some investors will continue to reconsider their strategies. On the positive side, while capital gains tax rates remain unchanged, landlords can still take advantage of long-term planning to optimise returns. The focus on energy efficiency remains crucial, and although no new grants are announced, landlords should prepare for the upcoming EPC regulations by investing in energy-saving upgrades. If you're currently considering selling any residential investment property, Let Property can put your property in front of over 15,000 active buyers and could complete a sale within as little as 7 days. You won't have to pay any fees. There's no obligation to sell, and you decide if the offer is what you want to accept. For more information and expert guidance, visit letproperty.co.uk or click the link below today. Don't forget to leave a comment below as I read and reply to every one of them.